Okay, children, today we start another day, almost finishing our week. Today is Thursday, the day of the elephant, and in the English school is day 6. Well, today is May the 21st, 2020, and yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Yeah, because we are going to finish another week. And the most important thing is that we will have learned many things. Let's see what it's the weather like. Let's start with this one today. Is today a rainy day? I don't know. Is today a cloudy day? I don't know. Is today a sunny day? Maybe. Is today a windy day? Or is it a foggy day? Well, let's see. Let's continue with the agenda for today. Today, we are going to have at the beginning of the day, mathematics. After that, unit of inquiry. After unit of inquiry, I have here a beautiful activity and a surprise for you. After that, we are going to have the snack. After the snack, ICT. After ICT, rhythm. After rhythm, lunch. And after lunch, fine motor skills. So, okay, remember people that you have to wash your hands at lunchtime and snack time and have a healthy snack. Okay, I don't want to see you eating papitas fritas, Cheetos. No. That is not a healthy snack. That is not a healthy lunch. So remember that if you want to have a healthy snack, you can eat fruit, you can drink a delicious juice, or maybe you can have a small sandwich or a tuna sandwich that you already know how to prepare it, okay? Or maybe you can eat a little bit here at lunchtime as dessert. You can have the ice cream that Miss Sarita taught you how to prepare the ice cream. Okay, so beautiful kids, I love you so much, and hopefully we are going to start with mathematics. Okay, bye bye, see you. Oh, don't forget to practice the song and move. Okay, very good. Bye.